How you doing, everybody? It's your natural bodybuilding specialist, Kelly Brown. And in today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to do a seated dumbbell goblet press. This exercise is good for building the upper incline portion of your chest as well as your front delts so that they lead and connect to one another so that it looks like a piece of body armor. The first thing you're going to do is take a seat in one of those half seats, half benches. Sit your bench upright, straight upright so your back is straight. You're going to grab a fairly heavy weight if you can. For this exercise video, I'm just demonstrating with a light weight, but I prefer that you use something fairly heavy, okay? Because you only want to do like 8 to 12 if you're going to be using it for your chest. If you use a lighter weight, it's going to work more shoulders. All right, so you're going to sit in the chair, you're going to push back, be on your heels while you're sitting in the chair, and all you're going to do is press upwards. You're going to press upwards, keep your elbows tight to your body, not too wide. Push from the triceps, keep your wrists under the dumbbell and press it like a goblet. All right, like you're raising the baby to the sky and saying, hey, everybody, look at this baby. All right, so keep on pressing it, raise it up, and squeeze in your upper portion of your chest. When you press up, don't forget to squeeze. All right, guys, if you learned something in this video, please share it with somebody. And if you like what I was wearing in today's video, don't forget to shop mechanoid88.com for workout gear and other self-development items. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.